Welcome back traders to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be going over a very simple yet effective concept that every trader should know how to implement correctly. I have seen many traders use support and resistance incorrectly as they are too focused on past price action rather than current price structure. Now, before I actually jump into this video, I would like to ask you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and to turn on notifications as this would help gain exposure on this video and to my channel overall. Now let's jump into it. So what we are taught as traders is that we want to go on the daily time frame and plot on as many levels of resistance and support as we can. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So we have this level of resistance. This is what we're taught. Okay, so this is what we're taught. We have this level of support resistance. We have this support right here. We have this support. We could maybe even plot this low down here. We have this support. We have another support right here, and we can add this level right here as a level of resistance. And as you guys can see, this looks very clustered and very chaotic, and if you were to go down to your entry time frame, this looks even more messy. So instead of looking at past price action, I want you guys to focus in on what price is telling you guys right now. So the current price structure. And now, as you guys already know, when I look for market structure, I like to go on the line chart. And that's exactly what I do when I'm looking for key levels of support and resistance. Now on Euro USD, I see that there is a level of support right here, and we can look sideways and we can see that there is a level of rejection right here as well. So instead of actually plotting one simple line, we're going to actually draw on a zone, because support resistance isn't only one specific number, rather it's a zone in the market. Now, once we have plotted on this level of support, we want to look for a level of resistance, and as you guys can see, we have this level of resistance right here. It shows that price is holding below this level. So let me show you guys what I mean. We had the strong push towards the upside, and right here is where price actually started to have trouble to continue to push towards the upside, and the bears started to push in. So this level tells me that this is going to be a significant level for Euro USD. Now what we want to do is go back on the candlestick chart, and we want to just tweak things up a bit to make it a bit more clear. So this level right here looks pretty nice to me. We can maybe bring this a bit lower to just cover this wick, and we don't really need this line as well. And this level of resistance, this looks pretty nice as well. We can maybe push this a bit down and maybe cover this wick right here. So as you guys can see, a nice level of resistance is being formed on Euro USD. Now that we've identified a key level of resistance and a key level of support on the daily time frame, you want to drop down lower on the 4-hour time frame, for example, and then you can look for more support levels and resistance. So, and when I say more, I'm not talking about 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm talking about maybe 1 and maybe 2. All right, so maybe 1 or 2. This is a good number to look for as a level of support or resistance. So now let's go back on the line chart and let's look for these levels. So right here, I see that this is a nice level of support resistance as shown by this rejection, and this rejection. So I know this level is going to be quite significant for Euro USD, and maybe perhaps we have this level as well as a level of support. Let's go back on the line chart and see how this looks. So this level looks pretty nice. Let's draw on our zones. Small little zone right here. Okay, and then this right here looks pretty nice as well, and we can draw on our zone here as well. So now what we're looking for is very, very simple. We are simply waiting for price to either break this level, okay, and if price happens to break this level, then you would be looking for a short opportunity back towards our next support level, which would be this level right here. However, if you want to look for a more of a intraday trade, then this could be your entry. However, if you're more of a day trader, you could target this level right here, which is our daily key support level. Now it's very, very simple. Like, there's nothing much more to it. It's just you want to look for the key levels in the market, and then you want to simply wait for either a break or bounce scenario. Now if price happens to break this level, we could expect price to continue to push towards the downside. And however, if price happens to maintain above this level, we could potentially see price come up into this level and potentially look for either a break towards the upside or a situation where we have another rejection and we see price continuing to push towards the downside. So I hope this video helped you guys. It's very, very simple. The line chart comes in handy if you guys know how to use it properly, and I highly recommend you guys learn how to use the line chart. Thank you guys for watching this video, and share this video with your trading friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.